Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to apply bold and italic font style on a comment box text using Foxit PDF Editor. Open one PDF file with Foxit PDF Editor. Now click on this comment option, this menu bar, and double click on this comment box. Now press Ctrl for your keyboard, select whole text, or you can select a specific text area, drag your mouse cursor, and here you will find this bold. Select here apply, and also I'll apply here italic, and see this, and this another comment box. Double click on this comment box and select this text, and I'll apply here bold and italic font add-ons, and see this. In this way you can apply bold and italic font on your comment box text. Yeah, and finally select this file option, save or save as your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.